Hey, what's up everyone? Nick here with Glass Coat. Wanted to introduce to you our new formula, Glass Coat's GO2 Waterless Wash. I know our other products can be used as a waterless wash, but this is actually a true dedicated waterless wash product. And it is GO2, and the reason we call it GO2 is the G stands for graphene and the O2 is for SiO2. So we got a combination of graphene and SiO2 properties mixed together to make a 3-in-1 wash formula that'll clean, shine, and protect any exterior vehicle surface. The amazing results and slickness of this are just absolutely insane. So can't wait to get right to it and show you guys actually how to use this product properly.
So as you can see, the Porsche is lightly dusty, and I wanted to use this vehicle as a great representation of when you should be waterless washing your vehicle. So this vehicle does get driven daily. It is stored inside, so it's just got a nice coating of dust across the top of it. You can really see it there on the top side. So now I'm going to show you guys how to actually use the GO2 waterless wash here on the vehicle.
So we're going to use two microfibers. One is going to be used for the final buff and then one for actually cleaning the surface. So I'm going to use the blue one here so we can see how much dirt I actually pick up. To start off with, we want to really shake up our bottle well. We want the graphene mixed. When it's separated, you'll see it in the bottom, so just get it shaken up well, and then you can see it dilutes through the remaining product here. So we're going to spray a nice even coat to get the surface saturated so that we can get the dirt lifting and rising from the surface, so that when we go to wipe in one direction, we're not having anything dragging dry surfaces and causing scratching or marring. So make sure you're wiping a wet area, not a dry one. Now we have it sprayed on there. You can also give it just a moment to kind of start lifting and getting everything saturated and broken down. Once we have that, we're just going to take our microfiber towel and we're going to wipe in one direction. You can see how much we've already picked up here. When we have areas where there is bee droppings, we're just going to lightly wipe them away. Another one here. Then we will flip to, so we have our dirty side, and we're going to flip to our clean side. We're going to give one more wipe. And we're going to take our dry towel. When we have a little bit of streaking left, we're just going to take a little bit of product and we're going to buff it right away. You can also take a wet microfiber towel to remove anything.
And there's where some products left, so we will continue working our way this way to wash the car. But you can see how dull the image was before and then after the GO2 waterless wash.
Okay, so I wanted to show you guys also how to remove any streaking from the product. So we're going to spray a little bit on. This is the residual residue from me working my way this way, so we always work in one motion and keep going one direction. So we're going to spray a little bit more here. Okay, so we're going to let that dry on this real quick. And I try to make this intentionally hard to remove for myself so that I can show you guys how to remove the streak. So as you can see now, it's a little bit more difficult to actually buff this off. So we're just going to take a wet microfiber here. So depending upon your weather, you may have to employ this method, but it's very simple. Then take your dry microfiber and buff the surface clean. So just that easy, you can remove the streaks.